I'd like to share you about globalization. Today, the world has growing fast and fast in every dimension, no matter in society, economy, politics, and technology. This is the consequence of the technological development and the changing of economic and political construction. These things make the world smaller and smaller. People can connect to each other easily, even they are in different places on Earth. However, have you ever wondered that how the world can change to be globalization? How do we know that we are in the world of globalization? And how are these things affect to people? First, the world changing had occurred from the revolution of agriculture, industry, and technology. According to Nopakul Prasokyatit, the world changing began from the revolution of agriculture. That is, when people know how to plant, how to raise the animal, and how to be in community. After that, there was the revolution of naval technology and war weapons, which was the result of the war. It caused the age of colonial hunting. Until 17th century, Europe expanded the power to Africa and America. After that, the revolution of industry was started. It began in textile industry. This made the changing of production process, that is, using machine instead of human, to control the process until the First and Second World War, that lead to the colonial and capitalized system. The last cause of changing is the revolution of technology. This is the influence people at the present time. It began from the revolution of steel and car, including airplane. Then there was the revolution of electronic system, computer, and information technology. This made the new page of the world called globalization. These things are the cause of globalization. Second, there are reasons that make people know that they are in globalization era. First thing is people are using computer. In globalization, computer plays an important role in life. It is the tool to receive and send the information with less time and limitation. Second, the flow of information. Science and technology are conductive, social and economy to develop forward. The progressive economics make the Western country to be well and support the researcher to stop doing the research and development to study for the beneficial information, which can increase the knowledge and new innovation to the world. Then, the human community is getting closer for each other. Technology helps people who are far away to connect to each other easily, whether they are in different countries around the world. This helps people to get the information of another side of the world, which can help them to open their thought and idea. As I mentioned so far, there are the signals that make people know that they are in globalization. Finally, globalization affects the world in society, economy, and politics. First, the effect of globalization to society. Because of globalization, the possession of tradition around the world has been raised. The traditional influence and the economic power of developed countries has been extended to developing country or empowered country. This creates the neo-Westernization or idea controlling attitude, custom, and consumption. Then the effects of globalization in economy. The reform of capitalism take place of communism because of globalization. Capitalisms are extended to everywhere around the world. There is the expanding of international trade or the economic organization of the region. Each connect and count on each other. Last, globalization affect politics. Globalization changed politics to be more localism and nationalism. Globalization supports the political institution to have more groups such the women rights, private organization, and natural conserve organization. These are the way that globalization affects to people at all. To sum up, there are many factors that lead to globalization and affect the ways of life from the past until today. It is the result of the revolution in history, and it produced the sign of the globalization era for people to understand that they are in globalization. And lastly, it affects people in society, economy, and politics.